Prayer for emotional healing. Let God mend your broken heart. My child, are you sitting alone in the dark, feeling like your heart is shattered beyond repair? That lost love, those painful words, that betrayal, they still pierce your soul like a sword? I see your silent tears in the night. I hear the unspoken cries of your heart. But my child, you are not abandoned. I am here, reaching out to embrace you. Remember Mary Magdalene? Her heart was torn. Her past was filled with pain. But when she met me, her life was made new. Today, I will do the same for you. I will heal you, mend the cracks in your heart, and give you new strength. Do not let past wounds define you. Do not let pain imprison you. I am the one who heals the brokenhearted. Psalm 147:3. I will personally wipe away your tears, restore your joy, and give you the courage to love again. Now, hand over your brokenness to me. Let my peace fill you. Let my love reshape your heart. Your worth is not determined by others, but by me, the one who created you. Write down healing, and let me restore your soul. The moment you pray, I am beside you. The moment you trust me, I will give you a new beginning. You are no longer a prisoner of the past, but a beacon of hope for the future. Walk forward in faith, and you will witness my love. Please press the subscription bell, and let each update be the manna of your life. Share this with 3 friends who are struggling, and together you will see the power of the resurrection. Write your keywords in the comments section, and we'll intercede especially for you on the air. Remember, your story is just about to become a glorious testimony to God.